gambled all around. Whenever I meet with a deck of cards, lay my money down, lay my money down, lay my money down. I had not been in Washington many more weeks than 3. Met up with a pretty little girl. She fell in love with me. She fell in love with me. Fell in love with me. She took me in her parlor. She cooled me with a fan. She whispered low in her mother's ears, I love that gambling man. Love that gambling man. Love that gambling man. Oh daughter, oh dear daughter, how can you treat me so? Leave your dear old mother and with that gambler go. With that gambler go. With that gambler go. My mother, oh dear mother, you cannot understand. If you ever see me coming back, I'll be with the gambling man. With that gambling man.